Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared sweet corn soup. This is a perfect soup to be relished during monsoon season. All the ingredients are laid out for this recipe. I'll be using sweet corn. Quarter cup of sweet corn I've reserved for grinding, and quarter cup of sweet corn I'll be adding in the soup. 1/3 cup of frozen peas. I've finely chopped and reserved chilies, garlic, ginger and onion. I've removed all the strings from the beans and finely chopped it and reserved. Finely chopped 1 carrot and reserved. We'll require butter, cornstarch. I'll be mixing that in the water. Parsley and pepper powder. If needed, you can add sugar as per your taste and preference. I have not added any sugar in this recipe. Now all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted on my blog. Blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now I've started to prepare the soup base. I've heated a wok and added butter to it. I've added the finely chopped onion, garlic, ginger and chili, and fried the onion, garlic, ginger and chili in the butter for few seconds. Once the onion turned transparent, the carrot and beans, because that is not cooked, we have to cook it. I've added the frozen peas. Now I'll add 3.5 cups of water and cook the veggies. We need to add salt as per taste. First allow the carrot, beans and peas to cook till tender. Then we'll be adding the sweet corn. This is 3.5 cups of warm water that I've added, not cold water. While this veggies are cooking, I'm multitasking at this point. In a separate mixer jar, I've added the quarter cup of corn that I reserved for grinding. I've added 3 tablespoons of water. I'll grind this into a smooth paste. Now the corn is ground into a smooth paste. The veggies have started to boil. At this point, I've added the ground corn. We'll bring this to a rapid boil and we'll reduce the soup a bit. It is very watery at this point. Now the soup has reduced. The veggies have cooked. I've added the other quarter cup of corn that I reserved. So once I've added the corn, it will cook fast at this point. We have placed this on medium flame. Check for salt and add salt if needed. Now I've added the parsley, pepper, and I've also added salt as per taste. Now I'll stir all the ingredients and bring this to a rapid boil. I've mixed the corn flour with little bit of water and reserved. So once the corn has cooked, I've added the corn flour in small portions and I've stirred it. Now once the soup has thickened, I'll be serving this as hot as possible. Add the corn flour in small batches. Don't add it all at once. Otherwise it forms lumps. So add it little by little and keep stirring your soup. All the links to my blog, social media will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now once the soup has thickened, you can see the amount how much it is reduced. You can see the corn has cooked, the veggies have cooked. It looks so yummy. Now I'm going to be serving this as hot as possible. Do try this recipe and post your comments if you enjoyed watching this video recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.